Hey programmers, today I'm going to show you how to create a HTML form, and using that HTML form we are push data to DB. Okay, so in this case I'm using two methods to send data to database. First one is get method and second one is post method. Okay, first of all we create a HTML form, then we push data to database. Okay, inside form I am insert two inputs, so three inputs. Okay, copy paste it. Okay, so we currently insert three inputs. The first one I put a name for first one, name, and second one is email, third one is the button. So I just put a name, insert btn, and I change text to submit. Okay, let's see the final result of this. Okay, now there are two inputs with the one button. It's nothing happened still. Okay, now we have to create a connection between database and HTML form. Let's see how to do that. First, create a variable called server name equal to localhost. So because at the moment I am using Wamp server, so its server name is localhost, and the username of the account that I am accessing my PHP My Admin. So I am currently using root account. Okay, then password. I'm not using any password for my root account, and the database name. Okay, just copy my database from the localhost. Okay, then I create a con variable and equal to new MySQLi. I insert these variables, my server details, to here. Okay, now we create connection successfully. Now we have to check it. We need to check it's working or not. So I'm using if condition for that. So if connection inside the connect error, if something happened, something wrong, type error connecting to with my error report, with the error report tab. Okay, so in this code why we are using, because if the connection is lost or connection have error, it shows there from this code. Okay, let's see how connection is working off. Okay, it's showing an error that access denied to user root. Let's see. Okay, I'm just adding extra space to password. Okay, now it's okay. Now our connection, we successfully create our connection. Now we have to create a code to insert data. So I'm previously told I'm using get method. So I'm using get method. Secondly, teach you how to using that from post methods. So let's see how to use get method to insert data. Okay, if set then I'm okay, send dollar underscore get, and okay, so I set my partner name previously created partner name, and I'm going to create two variables for my input. Next, username, and one is email. For how we taking username, we're taking from this input. So there's a name called name. So I previously rename it to name, first input. So I just type equal dollar underscore get and name. Okay, and I copy paste this code to here and email, and then I type result it got MySQLite query connection previously created. So type the insert query, insert into, so insert into student, that's my table, student, create the first name, name and email. So these are the columns that we are going to insert data. Name, email, then values. Set this value and I'm sure I forget to use PHP tags inside the code. Okay, now we result connection insert into student name, email, and values. Okay, there's something error. There's going something syntax error. Okay. You can use this. Think we got syntax error. Let's see. Okay, now it's fine. Now let's see if this data insert to DB database. So we need to create a message so that then we know our operation is done or not. To create that, I'm creating if condition if results equal to true, it means the code is run successfully. Echo data save. Okay, then I'm going to my form, then I mention here action is leave it blank because we are executing a PHP code inside this page. So if you are executing our PHP code in another page, type that page name here. So now I am just mention the method equal to get. Okay, and okay, let's refresh and I'll type okay. Coder.com. Okay, it showed me a error while we are saving the data. So let's see if the data is good. It goes a blank data. Why we are getting? Let's see why we are getting this error. Name. Connection is okay. If connection is go here wrong. See connection empty. Okay, we can check our error easily. We can echo this variable, so we can get this variable while when the insert button click has to echo username. So let's see it happen. I'm just comment this query, so it stopped to send data to DB. And then type this code. It shows undefined variables. It's not going to be. It's not going to there. See, okay, still we got this error. Let's see again. Okay, now so I made a spell mistake here. Okay, let's see now. See legend coder and code@gmail.com. I press it, shows me again undefined result. Oops, I forget to remove the comment. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so let's see our data is there or not. Okay, we finally go insert to DB. So again, let's say let's go to something like another. We carefully look this URL. So I just want to show the main difference between get and post methods. So I'm typing in my email and the name, and it shows a blank URL, but when I submit it, it shows entire detail what I sent to database. Let's see, the name is legend coder and email is coder Gmail. So that's the big issue using get methods. So let's see, using post methods, how we can send the data to database. Okay, now to send the data using post method, I'm just rename here post, post, and then this also changed to post. Oops. Okay, post, post, and post. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's go the post Gmail, and now I fill the data, and let's see, there's nothing showing here. Now our data is there. See, let's do another practice. Post data, post at gmail.com. So it's never show the real data in URL, but when it's come to get method, it shows entire details in the URL. So that's it in our lesson. And if you, when you send a data to a database or something, HTML using HTML form, please use a post method to send the data to your database. Never use get method to send the data. Okay guys, if you have learned something new, please share and subscribe my channel. It's big help to me.